moving forward, we'll work here now with the ears of this bunny, okay? So once again, you'll start with the magic ring, and I'm working with the contrast color, and I will work the 2 ears of this bunny with the same color, okay? So we will be working only exclusive with this color right now. So you start with the magic ring and you work 6 single crochet inside the magic ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great. Let's pull this yarn, close the magic ring, and move on here for the next round. So for the next round, you will work 6 increases, and you will have a total of 12 stitches at the end of this round. Okay. So let's work here. You already know how it's done, so I will move fast forward. You did it a couple of times. Here, I move fast forward. I want to show you. So you'll repeat rounds 1 to 5 from the beginning of this video. So 1 single crochet, 1 increase, 2 single crochet, 1 increase, 3 single crochet, 1 increase. Okay, so you'll have here a total of 30 stitches, and we will work a couple of repetitions here. Okay, so you can go back to beginning of this video, work from round 1st to 5th, the same thing until you have 30 stitches, and from round 6 to 9 you will work 30 single crochet, and I will catch you up for the next round. So here we have the last round we increase, round number 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, all right, so now let's work. Here we will start working the decreases. Okay, so for round number 10 you will work 8 single crochet, 1 decrease, and you will repeat this for 8 times. Oh my goodness, for 3 times, and you will have 27 stitches. Okay, so 8 single crochet, 1 decrease, repeat this 3 times, and you should have 27 stitches at the end of the round. So this is the first repetition we work together with you. Repeat all the way around, and I will catch you up there. Now you will work 2 rounds with 27 single crochet, so round 11 and 12. And this is how is the pattern for the ears, okay? We will work 1 round with decreases and then 2 rounds with the amount of the single crochet. So let's see, this is the round with decreases and 2 rounds more with the 27 single crochet. So that's how it's gonna work. For the round number 13, you will work 7 single crochet, 1 decrease, repeat 3 times, and you will have 24 stitches at the end of the round. And then you will work 2 more rounds, rounds number 14 and 15, with 24 single crochet. Okay, so this is the pattern here, and I will catch you up for the round number 16. Okay, so first repetition we work here together with you, and I work the 2 rounds with 24 single crochet. Okay, so for round number 16 you will work 6 single crochet, 1 decrease, repeat 3 times, and you should have 21 stitches at the end of the round. Then you will work round 17 and 18 only with 21 single crochet, and I will catch you up for round number 19. Okay, I hope this is clear for you. And if not, just leave me a comment and I will be happy to reply you. Okay, now for round number 19, you will work 5 single crochet, 1 decrease, repeat 3 times, and you should have 18 stitches at the end of this round. And then you work around 20 to 23rd, and this is very important here, okay? We will work 3 rounds for this one instead of just 2. Okay, so round number 20 to 23. Once you're done, we will flatten this ear, okay, and we will crochet the sides together. So here you see we have 18 stitches in total. When you fold them, you have 9 on one side, 9 on the other side, and you work 9 single crochet crocheting them together, okay? So here the first stitches, the two stitches is very close to each other. So as I mentioned, it's a bit tricky one. But once you finish with that one, everything is very simple and smooth and easy. All right. So let's work here the 9 single crochet. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comment box below. I will be here to answer you if you have any questions. Also, check out the links in the description for the written pattern so you can follow along here. Okay, let's move this forward. You know how it's done this already. We've done it a couple of times. Leave a room here for sewing and make another one. All right, let's move here forward. We will start working now the heart, okay? The heart of this toy. So here we'll start once again with the magic ring, and you will work 6 single crochet inside the magic ring, okay? So work here your repetitions, 6 single crochet, you already know what it's done. Pull it tight. And let's move on here. For the second round, you will work 6 increases. So work here your repetitions. You also know how it's done. So there is not much here for me to show you. We've done it a couple of times in this video already. Super good. Double secure the beginning of your thread. This is something that I like to stress. And once you're done with this, we'll move on for the next round. I will add here my stitch marker. And for the next round, you will just work 12 single crochet, okay? So work your repetitions here and I will catch you up. All right. Once you finish your repetition here, you will work another one following the same instructions. But one you're gonna fasten off, okay? And the other one we will continue working with it. So you grab one stitch here from the fasten off that you already made, and you will continue working with the second one that you will not fasten off. So you introduce the loop of your needle inside one of the stitches from the finished one. And for round number 4, you will work 24 single crochet. Okay, so you have 12 in one side and 12 on the other side. I will just move a little bit fast forward here. I want to show you how it goes from the other side. So once you crochet all the 12 from one detail, this stitch here, which is the stitch that you introduce the loop of your needle, you need to work 1 single crochet there, okay? Just this that I want to show you. So you make sure that you are not skipping a stitch over here, okay? So count how many stitches you have just to make sure that you didn't left any stitch behind. You should have 24 single crochet. For the round number 5, once again, you will work 24 single crochet, okay? So work here your repetitions, and I will catch you up for round number 6. We will start working the decreases. All right, super good. You see this? It's starting to shape up a little bit. Okay, so now for round number 6, we start decreasing. So you will work 10 single crochet, 1 decrease, repeat 2 times, and you should have 22 stitches at the end of this round. And that is how we will go for this heart. We will work 2 decreases on each round here until we are left with 12 stitches. So repeat here all the way around, and I'll catch you up for next round. For round number 7, you will work 9 single crochet, 1 decrease, repeat 2 times, and you should have 20 stitches at the end of this round. Okay, let's move a little bit fast here. We work the first repetition together. So this is my decrease. Work your next repetition, and I will catch you up for round number 8. Great. So for round number 8, you will work 8 single crochet, 1 decrease, repeat 2 times, and you should have 18 stitches at the end of the round. So work here your 8 single crochet and decrease. Repeat once again. And now for round number 9, you will work 7 single crochet, 1 decrease, repeat 2 times, and you should have 16 stitches at the end of this round. Okay. So this is the first repetition here with you. And you should work one more time. Okay. All right, now for the round number 10, you will work 6 single crochet, 1 decrease, repeat 2 times, and you should have 14 stitches here at the end of this round. So let's move a bit faster here until my decrease. Work your decrease over here. One more repetition, and I will catch you up for the next round. For round number 11, you will work 5 single crochet, 1 decrease, repeat 2 times, and you should have 12 stitches here at the end of this round. And then for round 12, we will do a little bit different, okay? So work your 2 repetitions here, and I will catch you up for the next rounds. This is my first decrease. Okay, work all the way around, and once you've done, let's add a little bit of stuffing material before we crochet our last round over here, okay? So add your stuffing material and come back here so we can work the round number 12 together. All right, you can see here a shape of a heart. Now let's work here round 12. For round 12, you will work 6 decreases, okay? And you should be left with 6 stitches at the end of this round. So here, 1 decrease, following up by other decrease, and so on. This is how you will work for this round, okay? This is my 3rd decrease. So work your decreases here, and I will catch you up so we fasten this heart off. Cut your yarn, leave here a little bit of tail so we can fasten this. Add in your tapestry needle, and let's close this heart. And again, you will fasten off like you did it from before, okay? You will introduce your needle only in the front loop of all these 6 stitches. Okay, so grab only the front loop. Once you've done taking all the front loops here, you can pull this yarn tight and organize this so you can fasten this off. And our heart is ready. Look at this. Very nice. All right, now let's sew these pieces here together. You see, I fastened this with pins. Pins really help. You can add here the heart just for you to measure the distance between one side to another. Okay, and sewing this is really easy and practical. So for the first one we have 5 stitches, right? So you will crochet with 5 rounds here on the body. For the second one you have 6, and you will do the same. So it's very, very simple here. It's a very easy sewing to do. So we grab here one stitch. Okay, and like this is how it goes. I will show you a little bit in detail how I'm doing it. So there is no trouble here for you, but it's a very simple one. And that's it. No secrets. You take one round and one stitch. One from the body, one from the paw, okay? Make sure just to put the one with the 5 stitches on top and the one with the 6 stitches on the bottom. Okay. I will move fast here. And I want to show that once I finish sewing the first and the second, I bring the remaining tail here to the same stitch outside of the toy. All right. And I give a knot here, a simple, very nice and tight knot. So we make sure that this will not get loose, unravel, or anything like that. You can cut this and hide inside of the toy. This is a great way to finish off so you don't have loose ends inside of the toy. All right. Here we were done with one side. I'm going to do the second one. For the ears you see here, I want to show you also that the exactly location where I sew everything is in the written pattern. So if you want to count which round and how many stitches apart one from another, you can check the written pattern in the description below. Okay? To sew the ears is the same thing as with the paws. You grab one stitch from the ear, one stitch from the body. Very simple. I like when you crochet the sides together because the sewing part gets very easy to do, much better than when you leave the things open, in my opinion. Great. Now we will move on here for the heart. To sew this heart, you can sew it pretty easy the way that you're used to it. Okay, just make sure that it's very nice and tight. And here I wanted to show you that I like to embroider the eyes of my toys. If you're using safety eyes, if you're using plastic eyes, you can check in the written pattern in which round you should add the eyes and with how many stitches apart. Everything is written there. But here I just go as for now, where I think it looks nice. How I embroider the eyes is very simple. I take a black thread, embroidery thread, and I make a couple of straight repetitions here until I achieve the size and the shape of the eyes that I want. So there is no secrets here how I do. It's just a matter of patience and repetitions. You really need to do quite a lot of repetitions here. I will show you. And then after you finish one side, you do the other one. And in the case of this bunny, I just add also a small nose with a triangle. So that's it. I really hope you enjoyed this pattern. One more pattern from this Valentine's. He's super cute and super chubby. And that's it. I will see you for the next pattern. Bye.